Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Investing. I'm Albert, the host of the channel. And seriously, this is really going to be a short video. As you can see, I have the list in front of me. So I'm going to close the app and open it up again. As you can see, I only have about 8 companies that I'm going to be going over. And so welcome to the channel. Let's start it up again. So today is February 23rd. It is 10:28 p.m. East Coast. I'm in Florida. So I'm gonna be using the Webull app. This video is gonna be a presentation about the special dividend paying stocks for February. So again, not everything on this list is guaranteed to pay a special dividend, but the notifications that I got, it's most likely that it will pay a dividend. So let's begin. Let's jump right to it. I'm using Webull, and we're gonna jump right into the search bar because I was doing this past weekend, putting all my research together. So again, as you can see, today's the 23rd, so there's only 5 days left for this month. The next 5 days, I don't know if I might receive a notification from my own research. So what I'm trying to say is within the next 5 days, I don't know if one stock or two stocks might even show up. But since we're getting close to the end of the month anyway, I thought I'd do this video. So I'm just going to use the information that I have in front of me as of right now. So the first one up that we're going to use is Pbsv. This is Pharma-Bio, Serv Inc. So again, this is an OTC market. I don't like OTC markets. It is valued at 91 cents. Looking at the numbers, awful. I wouldn't even worry about investing in it. Not even fundamentally or technically. I don't like the numbers. Let's look at the analysis. This is wow. Okay, well that makes sense since it's a over-the-counter stock and market. It's not giving me much info. Let's look at the So anyways, we're just gonna look at the special dividend. Let's see if they are supposed to pay one. So as you can see here, they did pay one in 2021. And I apologize for not knowing the amount, but as you can clearly see that they did pay a special dividend. I thought this payment for actually tomorrow, yeah, I thought that was gonna be the special dividend, but I guess not. But again, they did pay a special dividend, but they're not a regular and consistent paying company for special dividends. So next one up that I have is Community Trust. Sorry, Community First. And this is ticker symbol CFOK, OTC market. So you can see a lot of flat lines here. I do not like that. It tells me it's an active. Too many. One too many. Awful stock. Let's look at the numbers. If I didn't think this was an OTC stock and I had no idea what the price was, and just if I didn't know what this was at all, and I had everything else in front of me, like this, and all of this, I would think this is an okay stock. Fundamentally, that will worry me, obviously. This might worry me, but depending on when the stock, came out, is it an IPO? Have they been around a few years or whatever? But again, with the information that I have, I do not like the stock fundamentally or technically. So I don't. Wow. Okay, that's weird. So I don't have any info for them paying the special dividend. Okay, so oh well. So next one up I have is Prph Prophase Labs Inc. So looking at the 1 year, that's at 675. Let's look at all that. I don't like negative earnings. Let's stay away from it. Analysis. What do we have? So obviously we're still in a downtrend overall. And let's see here. Do we have special dividend? Yes. So far, as we can see here, since 2018, they paid one. They paid one in 2019. Two of them in 2019. None in 2020. Nothing. Blank in 2020. And as you can see, only one special dividend in 2021. They have no splits, so they paid 30 cents. Here we go. Come on, show me the pen right there. 30 cents special dividend. So these guys are sorry, I meant to scroll down a little bit. So these guys are a special dividend paying company. They seem to be consistent. I mean, they paid the past 3 years. Nothing in 2020, which is weird, but it makes sense though. It makes perfect sense why they wouldn't want to pay one in 2020 as cheap as this stock is. So I'm reading the description as to what they do. So it provides diagnostic information and services to a range of customers, including health plans and third-party payers and government organizations. So there you have it. That's what they do. Next one up. So it sounds like they sell like over the counter medicine or something like that. Well, not really. Well, sort of like they sell like natural herbs and stuff like that and medicines and all that. So yeah. So this stock here, Atrium Mortgage, they were actually a pain to look up because they had so many variations and classes of the same stock, and I didn't feel like looking at like over 20 of them. So I tried to look at the most popular ones that were active. So it was very hard to get the data for that. So that's not it. Let's see if they paid. So this one is not it. Might have been this one. So Atrium Mortgage at $11. The ticker symbol AMIVF. Surprised. Okay, there's no volume, but they're paying a dividend. Okay, this might be it. And no. So they paid a special dividend. So first off, they are this company is in the corporate financial services sector. They provide okay. Okay, commercial real estate basically in Canada and residential, multi-residential So as we can see here, they're a monthly paying dividend. It almost seems like a REIT, but they're not. They provide loans. So as we can see here, monthly paying dividends. I know a lot of people like that, but for me, on the other hand, I'm totally different. I have nothing against it with monthly dividends. To each their own. I just do not prefer this type of investment style for me. But here I am showing you anyway because people uh, like this kind of style with the monthly income. So we have here 7 cents. I'm trying to figure out when was the last time they actually even gave a raise. It looks, I see here in 2019, but that was only for 1 month. Everything else has sevens, so they haven't given any raises. They only had, so the reason again why we're here is really a special dividend. They paid one in 2020, as you can see right there. Again, I'm sorry about the amount because I have all this other information above that only shows me the actual dividend here. And then that's a lot of information to backtrack just to get this one, the amount. If anything, I could always look it up, or you guys can always look it up, Nasdaq.com, and you can actually see this same log, the history or slash log, which is the dividend list of payments and the dates and everything's in there. So we have Atrium Mortgage. Again, they're not a consistent special dividend payer, but they did pay one. So next one up is Nexa, Nexa. And then let's see. Okay, we have it at $7.96. So let's look at the numbers. Do I like what I see? It's okay. Seems undervalued. They do pay a dividend. The chart, it's okay. They do pay a special dividend. So they paid one in 2019 and 2020. Nothing in 2021. Because this year is already starting and 2021 is already pretty much done. But there are still, and March is coming up, so we still have towards the end of March till the last of the companies can actually put in their results and put in their estimates for their earnings and all that good stuff. So let's see if they had any splits. I guess not. So again, this is not really a consistent company that pays special dividends. They didn't pay one in 2021, but who knows? They might pay one this year. We'll see. We'll find out. I'll probably come back to this company. Who knows again next year if they did decide to pay the special dividend. So I'll just leave it at that. So I believe I have one more, IRMD. Nice looking stock. I like the chart. Seems pretty good. I like the PE. Volume could be better, but whatever works is okay. So we have the target for support and resistance. What do I see here? If I was to draw a line like I'd say right here, I say 3680. Did bounce off of 3680 in, what month is this? If this is December, September, so September, October, November, December. So that's quarterly. So this line is 3, represents 3 months. Sorry for the handwriting. I'm trying to write it, but yeah, that line represents 3 months. So, okay, that's current. But look at this drop, though. Look at this drop. Oof. That's an ugly drop. And a big one, too. That, again, I'm not looking at this. Because, I mean, it went up. Like right here. It went up, but then it just kind of went down again. Like with vengeance. It's just violent. Violent. Write that out for you. V. See that V? V for violent. That's something that you really, really want to be careful to invest in stocks with the V's. So that's what I call a danger stock. So anyways, let's get back to the reason why we're here. Special dividend paying company right there. Doesn't show the date. We'll get into that. They paid also a dividend as well, which is nice. So we're going to see what they do. First, they have a medical equipment. So let's look at the dividends and let's look at the split. No splits. Dividends, we have okay, so they just started to make payments in 2022. So there you have it. There you have it. IRMD. So there you have it. That's it. That's all I have for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, 8 stocks. For the month of February. Again, that's all I have. Hopefully, or maybe there might be 1 or 2 more, but that's all I have. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I have so many more videos to go. Again, I didn't expect to do this video, but I have some time for it. And stay tuned. I'm still going to be doing the sectors and all. So thanks for watching. Have a good night. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. And I'll see you guys in the next one.